I love when my clients ask for blonde hair that's ultra cool and creamy. It's a look I perfected using Joico's Blonde Life Lightening and Brightening system. I love it because it helps keep the hair healthier than ever. Hi, I'm Marisa Marino, and I'm so excited to be here with Joico today to show you my technique to get this Crème D'Blonde color using Joico Blonde Life Lightening Powder. Blonde Life Lightening Powder is beyond amazing. The powerful ultra high lift formula allows you to achieve 9 or more levels of lift in record time. It helps you avoid multiple applications, reduce breakage, and bypass the hassle of additives. I also love that Blonde Life contains ultra nourishing Monoi and Tamanu oils to keep hair super healthy and shiny. First, section the hair into 3 parts, 2 in the front and 1 large section in the back. Take a diagonal section from behind the right ear, then finely weave the section and apply Formula 1. Here's something I like to do. I hold the foil up against the head and use the surface to paint on my lightener. This gets the lightener as close to the scalp as possible without the foil sliding. Take a second diagonal weave parting and apply Formula 1. Move to the opposite side and repeat the process. To prevent the lightener from bleeding, I like to direct the flap outwards when I fold the foils. Next, move to the center back. Take a horizontal section, finely weave, and apply Formula 1. Then, take a second horizontal weave parting and apply Formula 1 directly above that. On the third parting of the back section, start applying Formula 2. Go back to the right section, take a diagonal weave parting, and apply Formula 2. Then, repeat on the opposite side. Return to the center back. Take another horizontal weave parting and apply Formula 2. Keep that pattern going until you've reached the top of that section. On the ends that are already really light, apply the 10 volume formula, Formula 1. Also, make sure to leave the ends that are super light or fragile looking out of the foils. After all, you want to keep the hair healthy. I always consider cowlicks when I'm foiling hair. Instead of pulling the hair tight against the foil, I hold the hair a little looser. This helps me make sure the result is natural looking. Next, move to the front hairline section. Take a diagonal slice of hair against the hairline, finely weave it, and apply Formula 2. Continue with diagonal weave partings up toward the center part using Formula 2 for 4 foils. You'll see how the 5th foil will connect visually to the back sections. I like to use the 10 volume formula around the face where the hair is finer. It prevents breakage and I can make sure the hair lifts at the same speed as the rest of the head. Move to the left and repeat the sectioning from the right side using Formula 1. Do the same at the front center hairline. On the second foil, use Formula 2. From here, move side to side taking diagonal sections using Formula 3 closer to the scalp and Formula 2 from mid-shaft to ends. Now let's move to the back of the head. Pick up the ends that were left out of the foils and apply Formula 2 in a foliage. Keep in mind, I'm not choosing ends at random. I'm targeting the ones that look the warmest. Work around to the front and repeat the process. Let the hair process up to 60 minutes or until the desired level of lightness is achieved. Rinse hair thoroughly, then shampoo with Joico Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo. Apply gloss and process for 5 to 35 minutes or until you achieve your desired tone. Rinse hair, then shampoo and condition with Joico Blonde Life Brightening Shampoo. For added brilliance, follow with Blonde Life Brightening Mask for up to 5 minutes. Rinse hair again, then style as desired using the Joico stylers of your choice. Now look at this ultra cool and creamy blonde hair. It's absolutely gorgeous. For more tips and tutorials, download the Joy Color System app and watch this next video. Thanks for watching.